How to cancel subscription on TradingView.com. In this tutorial, I will tell you exactly how to do that on your browser, on your desktop. You can always replicate the same pattern on mobile browser as long as you are currently logged into your TradingView.com account. You can cancel the subscription. First off, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, fire your browser and then go to TradingView.com. From the dashboard right here, go to your account. It's usually on the top right with your profile picture, or if you do not have a profile picture yet, you just need to click on this. From there, just choose account and billing. You will be redirected to a settings page, to the accounts and billings page. From there, just scroll down until you see my plan or your plans. You can see that I am currently subscribed to a monthly pro subscription, but I have like 4 days left to actually cancel your plan. Just click on cancel auto renewal here. You will be redirected with a modal screen showing you that, well, these are the features that you will no longer enjoy if you are not subscribed to the paid account. You can then just choose to continue to cancel. On the next screen, you will be prompted with a little bit of a questionnaire. You can select between these which reason you want to use to cancel your subscription. You can choose whichever one you want. Once you're done, just continue to cancel. And here right now, it's the final screen. So if you wanted to continue your monthly subscription, just keep everything as it is. Or if you wanted to really cancel, then just choose yes, cancel me. And that's pretty much how you cancel your subscription on TradingView.com. If you find this content helpful and you wanted to see more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us simply how to cover, don't hesitate to put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, hope it helps. Till the next tutorial, YouTube.